takot sa mga bata at ang kanyang magulang ay kailangan.
For Jollibee makes me really happy. Ever since talagang magkasama na kami ng Jollibee. And it gives me joy na hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang partnership ko with Jollibee. This time, bagong product naman na ini-endorse ko. Let's all give a round of applause to the new flavors of Jollibee Crispy Fries.
Sa isang Jollibee branch. Bakit Jollibee? Dahil commercial shoot ko ngayon. Yung commercial shoot para sa Jollibee. Jolly Crispy Fries. Yay! So, yun, samahin niyo po kami.
We're here now, we're shooting the newest Jollibee Crispy Fries television commercial for Jollibee. Of course, it's Sarah Geronimo, the pop star princess herself. The story basically is Sarah has in her barkada, may barkada siya. Sarah's with her friends, parang they're gonna go on a road trip. Parang meron silang karaoke games. Meron silang video game scene. Parang the idea is just so fun. Sarah, parang day off ni Sarah, parang what she does when she's not working, diba? So we wanted to show her naman in an environment where she's having fun, she's enjoying herself. Because we really believe it ties up with the product, diba? Because it's a product that you can also enjoy while doing these activities. No? While you're on the road trip kayo, pwede kayo mag Jolly Crispy Fries, diba? Pag sa bahay, nakakaraoke, yan, masarap yan mag-snack, diba? Sa French fries and sa video games. I think it really mixes well, no? The Jollibee Crispy Fries together with the vignettes and the activities Sarah's doing. So this commercial also is introducing 2 new flavors for the Jolly Crispy Fries. There's sour cream and cheese, besides of course the already original that they're serving now. So something to watch out for. These 2 new flavors.
Very young, it's very youthful. It encapsulates Sarah as both a person and as an endorser. This is very, very Sarah. In fact, that's why we got her for this particular project.
Come on!
Yun, casual wear lang siya. Pero gusto nila, for a change, unlike the usual Jollibee na, yung last time namin na commercial, plain lang yung top niya na sleeveless. Yung ngayon, gusto nila happy graphic print stripes. So, yun, gusto nila masaya. Yung suot pa rin sana masaya na. Although, pastel yung requirement. At saka jeans lang siya, at saka flat, ganyan. Very young. Gusto nila, kasi yun yung target nung brand, nung product, specific product na pinapromote nila.
Ang look niya today is same ng look ng print shoot. Hair down, wavy, sexy, pero young. Much better kasi mas magaan tingnan, lumilipad, wind-blown, so mas fresh tingnan kahit mainit yung lugar.
Singapore. Oo, nagkakaanoon kami lahat. Close na kami agad. Hindi, mababait naman sila at saka very professional din at cooperative din. So, hindi naman nagkaroon ng problema sa set. At saka, masaya silang kasama.
Christmas is loving, giving, and sharing your blessings to others. That's for me, that's the spirit of Christmas. When God gives you blessing, you share it.